is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 85th Street, Forest Parkway. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is Woodhaven Boulevard. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 104th Street. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 111th Street. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next and last stop is 121st Street. This is 121st Street. Transfer is available to the Jamaica Center bound J train. Transfer is available to the Q10 bus to JFK Airport.